Are there limitations that government can legitimately make on the right to assemble?
The right to assemble is a right of large scope. There are some occasions where courts and governments can make limitations on that particular right, largely for safety reasons. If you're talking about a time, place, manner restriction, for example, we can't necessarily have a 1 million person march anytime those 1 million people just feel like getting together. However, the limitations can't be for substantive reasons. It can't be that the government says, we don't like what folks are demonstrating for, therefore they can't demonstrate. If, on the other hand, the reason why government wants to limit a particular assemblage or a particular march or what have you is because it's just impossible to keep the marchers safe or because it's not for good order, in those circumstances, then we may well have some limitations on the right or ability to assemble.